If you feel like you are constantly up to your eyeballs in homework, this video is going to share one super simple thing that you can do differently to help you take back your life and stay ahead of your homework. But before we jump into that strategy, I want to share 3 reasons why you want to stay ahead of your homework. Consistently waiting until the last minute to get your work done works against your ability to maximize your investment in college in 3 key ways. Number 1, it's stressful. And when we're experiencing unhealthy levels of stress, it is incredibly hard for us to show up as our best and brightest self and to perform at our highest levels. Reason number 2, you don't produce your best work at the last minute. I know you might be thinking, but Katy, I work best under pressure. I get it. I used to believe that too. The truth is that you probably feel motivated to get started when you're doing things at the last minute, but you probably aren't producing your best work. Be honest with yourself. Are you able to produce your best work at the last minute? If you're like most of us, key learning functions are greatly diminished when we're under high levels of stress. Things like our memory, our ability to retain information, and our ability to be creative critical thinkers all diminish when we're under high levels of stress, which is usually what we experience when we're doing our work at the last minute. Reason number 3, you're letting your due dates run your life. Yes, I know that when you're in college, it's a giant part of your life, but it's not the only thing happening in your life. You also have friends and families, commitments, things you want to do, and work to take care of. When you consistently do your work at the last minute, you are revolving your life around your due dates. But when you can get ahead of your work, then you're able to make decisions and make space for other things in your life, which also helps you to reduce homework guilt, or that feeling you have when you're at the party but you really know you need to be writing the paper that's in the back of your mind that you're ignoring while you're having a good time, but is going to make you feel super guilty when you get back to work. So what's my one simple strategy for staying ahead of your homework? It's to start your assignments when they're assigned rather than when they're due. Professors don't just make up due dates. There's a science behind it. They determine when things are due based on the schedule, the sequence of the class, and most importantly, based on how much time you need to successfully complete the assignment. This means if you're interested in creating your highest quality work and earning A's, your professor expects you to use that entire time to think about the work, research it, produce a product, get help, refine it, so that you're able to produce your highest quality product. Plus, starting your assignment when it's assigned rather than when it's due lets you determine when you're going to work on it, allowing plenty of space and time to live your life. Now I want to hear from you. There are a lot of ways to get it done, and I'm sure you have great ideas on how to stay ahead of your homework. So if you have a strategy that works great for you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell to be updated every time I upload new videos to help you thrive during college. And if you want to keep learning more about how to stop wasting your time and stay ahead of your homework, click the video on your screen now. Remember, you have the power to create an amazing college experience. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.